Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the screen. Okay, so we made the lightning bolt a little bit smaller. I'm gonna make these clouds a little bit bigger. Just to emphasize them. And then I'm gonna lock them in place so that when my students come up here, they can't. They touch the board, they're not gonna move around the pictures. Okay, so those are locked in place. And now I'm gonna go to the next page. Next page. Okay. So for this one, I'm gonna add a text. So I'm gonna click on the text thing, add a text box, and I'm going to write, I have a question for you. And I'm going to definitely change the font and make it, let's do that. And then let's change the color to white to match the other ones. Let's move this text box because it is. There we go. And we're going to make the text a little bit bigger. Hey, you know what they say, the bigger the better, right guys? Okay. Now I'm going to switch it to the arrow so I can move around. So I have a question for you. This just engages my students, and I'm going to add some question mark around the paper, or not the paper, the page. Okay, it doesn't have anything. No. I'm going to just write question, see if that pops up anything. Oh, pictures. Yep, that's what we want. Okay, let's do, since our background is orange, let's do purple, because purple goes good with orange, I think. And let's just make them really small to kind of match the thing. Oh, that's, oh my goodness. I'm gonna actually see if I can clone that. There we go. So that they're kind of the same. Let me delete this one. Just kidding. There we go. Now let's clone this one again. There we go. The question for you. And then let's also add these cute stars. Just place them everywhere. That sounds exciting. I don't know. These kids need excitement in their lives. Okay, let's go to the next page. That has plenty of words. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna do the same thing. But this time, I'm just gonna add that, and then I'm gonna go back to where I added the text before. And I'm just going to copy it. No. That's not what I want to do. Sorry, my mouse is acting up. Let's delete this nonsense. Delete that. Okay, click on this. Go to the drop down, click copy. There we go. And then I'm going to go to that question page again, and I'm going to right click. What am I going to do? Oh my goodness. Right click. I'm just gonna do it. I have a question for you. I'm gonna move it to there, make it a little bit bigger. Not that big. There we go. And now I'm gonna make it white. Bam. So we have that on all my questions. Okay guys, now I'm going to add a page. Let's see, go to this. I'm gonna click add a page. Okay, now I'm gonna make that into my notes. I'm gonna click notes. So we get note. I'm gonna start. Let's do paper. There, that'll come up. Let's do. Okay, so I typed in small line paper, and I'm gonna go to background and themes. I'm gonna scroll down, click on this one, and I'm gonna drag it over here. Ta-da! Okay, now I want to add a pin. Pictures. And right down here, I'm gonna find a pin that I like. Let's see. I think I just passed one that I liked. Yeah, let's do that one up top. And let's do this one. We're gonna put it right here so that our students know that that's the pin we want. I'm gonna go over here. I want the notes to be taken at the bottom, at the end of the lesson, so I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of my lesson, so that when the lesson is done, the students can do it. See, there we go, that's the end, and they can do the ending right. Okay, so since I can use this page for different assignments, I'm gonna go to the little tab button, click add page to gallery. Okay, so now it went into my content folder. Ta-da! There it is. Okay, so I right clicked, and now to make it easier for when I want to search it up, I'm gonna click on properties and add keywords like assignment. Let's do paper. Let's do writing. Pen. And then I'm also going to do lined paper and notebook. Okay, so if I type any of these words into this bar, this page is going to come up and I can use it with any assignment that I do with my students. I'm going to click apply, and then I'm going to click OK. So let's try it. If I click assignment and I click that, it pops up. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to back it up. Okay, I click on this arrow thing, export as collection file. Little screen pop up. Boop. Okay, so I'm going to save it in my documents under, I'm just going to save it under Smart Notebook. And let's do weather lesson plan assignment 2017. So now I can have it for further things in the future. Okay, now I'm gonna create a theme. I'm just, for example, I'm gonna delete all this because I don't want that on my theme. Second off, I'm going to, give me 1 second. Okay, you go up to format, you click theme, and then I'm going to create theme from page. Okay, I'm gonna call this theme orange / red. It's gonna drive me nuts. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. There we go. Orange / Orion. Okay, and then I want the theme's style. Okay. I want this to be white on all the themes. And I also want it to be in a bigger font. So let's do 48. There we go. So that theme style is going to stay there. I'm going to press save. And ta-da! It's going to be on my themes. Okay, so now I want to add a sound effect to this one. So I'm going to press unlock. It's going to be a ringing sound effect. It's a drop down button. Let's see, link. Or just kidding. No, I don't want link. I know, cancel, I'm sorry. Sound to display. We're gonna browse, and I just downloaded a sound. What was that thing called? It's called Small Waves. Small Waves. Okay, I'm gonna look it up real quick. It's for somewhere. Oops. Okay, well, let's just add. I don't know. Just kidding. Okay, let's just record one. Whoosh. Whoosh. Okay, so I'm going to attach that to my thing, and wait a minute. I want it to be on the object. So attach sound. No, let's do it. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Okay, attach sound on object. Okay. So it should have done it, and let's lock that to place. So now I'm gonna click on it. There we go. It makes the sound. I already did the teacher notes, so when you click on teacher notes, it goes for the teacher. Let me quickly show you how I did that. Unlock it, go to link, page in this file, click on that, and then we're going to go, we put on page 2. So we're going to click on page 2, and page 2 is all for teachers. And you're going to click on object, and you're going to press OK. And then you're going to lock it back in place. Okay, I did everything, so now I'm going to save. File, save as, and now it's saving. And now I already had it saved in my documents on my PC.